Hi everyone, so in this video I'm just going to do a quick review of the Go Cruise throttle control. So in a past video I mentioned different options for motorcycle cruise control, and I also did a video review of the cramp buster. So if you remember, the cramp buster was just a piece of plastic that snaps onto your throttle grip, and what it does is it allows you to stretch your hand on longer rides. But with the cramp buster, you have to always keep your hand on the cramp buster itself in order to maintain throttle position. So it's not really a full throttle lock. So I found the cramp buster to be pretty useful for intermediate rides, so maybe 3-hour round trip, 300 miles, something like that. But for longer day-long rides, I really wanted something that allows me to take my hand fully off the throttle, and that's what the Go Cruise throttle control allows me to do. So let me just show you this really simple but ingenious device right now, and also how to install it. So the Go Cruise throttle lock is made up of two components. You have the rubber band piece in my left hand, and then you have the actual lock itself on my right hand. The rubber band piece is kind of optional depending on what type of grip you have. So if you have the, for example, if you have the D3 driven grips with a metal inlay towards the center of the grip, or towards the inner end of the grip, you would want to use this piece to increase the friction between the locking mechanism and the grip itself. So let me just show you guys how to install this real quick. Installation is really simple. You first just slide this rubber band piece all the way to the end of your grip like this. Again, this is optional depending on your type of grip. And then you just snap this locking mechanism right over the rubber band piece like that. So now it's fully installed. So what you want to do is you first want to push this so it touches your front brake lever. So let's say I'm on the highway right now. I've opened my throttle like this, and I want to take my hand off the throttle because it's tired. So I would push this forward with my index finger until it touches the brake lever, then just let go. You can see my throttle has maintained the position that I let go of it, and you know, I've had zero problems with this. So to disengage the throttle lock, you just roll your throttle forward as you would normally, and now it's back its original position. So if I open throttle again and I want to lock it here, do the same thing. Push the lock so it touches my front brake lever, and release. And you can see again my throttle has maintained the position I left it at. So I bought this device for about $8 off eBay. I think it'll probably be $1 or $2 more if you buy it from any other online motorcycle part dealers. And I highly recommend it, especially for longer rides. This is really probably the best sub $10 mod you can get for your motorcycle. It's been really helpful for me, and as I've shown, installation is really simple. So if you guys have any questions or comments about the Go Cruise throttle lock, feel free to leave a message below or send me a private message, and I'll definitely get back to you. Thanks.